this is how the video, that's how it sounds with the Puro catted downpipe, Puro front pipe resonator, and muffler delete. Some of my subscribers requested to make a video, so I'm gonna rev it a little bit from the inside, so you guys hear from the inside first. We'll do an outside clip from the back and then the front, and then I'll just drive takeoff, and I'll just come, towards the camera, and that'll be the video pretty much. So keep watching. You can get the one in the back.